If people are not finishing your video, you are probably making one of these mistakes. Everyone talks about views. Smart creators study watch time because platforms like Facebook don't just measure clicks. They measure the following: how long people stay, if they finish watching, if they rewatch, if they engage after watching. Here are mistakes that ruin watch time. Number one, not strong hook first 3 seconds. If your intro or your introduction is slow, unclear, or sounds like everyone else, people scroll. You don't earn attention. You capture it. Number two, long unnecessary introduction. Nobody needs, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys, hello. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon." Get to the value very fast. Those are annoying. If I'm the viewer, I will not watch those annoying introduction. Number three, talking without pattern breaks. No captions, no text highlights, no tone changes, no movement, boring delivery would ruin your retention. Number five, dragging the ending. If your point was made at 18 seconds, don't stretch to 45. Tight content equals higher completion rate. Number six, no curiosity gap. If everything is predictable, there's no reason to stay. Teaser the outcome before revealing it, or there should be a suspense. Remember, watch time increases when people feel the following: curious, understood, rewarded, emotionally connected. The algorithm doesn't push long videos. It pushes videos people actually finish watching.